Good morning. This is my Orencia Manalo, Senior Marketing Director of International Marketing Group and Financial Educator of the Wealth Academy program of IMG. Founder din ako ng Smart Moms Investors Club. Thank you for liking and sharing. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo how to apply KAISER Long-Term Healthcare Online Application. KAISER International Health Group is registered as a healthcare provider. KAISER is far more than an HMO. While most HMOs cater to both group and individual accounts, KAISER's product is geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after their employment and retirement years. KAISER is duly accredited with the Department of Health, DOH. KAISER is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million. KAISER's board of directors are seasoned experts in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry, with its president and medical director, Dr. Leah Uy Yolo, a seasoned HMO executive and prominent doctor. KAISER Long-Term Healthcare is a 3-in-1 product. Meron itong healthcare protection. Kung magkasakit tayo ngayon o pagdating ng ating senior citizenship, pwede natin gamitin ng KAISER in all accredited clinics and hospitals nationwide. Life insurance protection. Covered tayo with life and accidental insurance for 20 years in case of untimely death. At investment. Ito lang ang healthcare plan na nire-reward tayo kung hindi tayo nagkakasakit. The healthier we are, the better because the more our investment grows. Step 1, kailangan natin ng IMG bank account kasi dito natin iuhulog ang una nating payment sa KAISER investment natin. Step 2, kailangan natin ng KAISER Long-Term Healthcare Online Application link from your sponsor. Step 3, fill up KAISER Online Application. Step 4, upload your proof of payment. Step 5, wait for the approval of your policy. Step 6, open your KAISER OPMS portal. Ito yung online policy management system. So let's start. Click the KAISER Online Application link given by your sponsor, gaya nito. Input your details here. Your first name, middle name, last name. Input your date of birth. Unahin mo yung year, month, and then date. Then, input mo rin yung active and correct email address kasi dyan lahat papasok ang tungkol sa KAISER investment mo. Then, click Create Quote. Click the drop-down menu to view the list of plans available. Example, K100 or 100,000. Then, read your benefits. Then, you can choose the terms of payment na napili mo. When you reach at this point, an email is automatically sent to you to complete the application form. Or you may proceed, just click the Complete Client Application now. Then, click Next. Yan, isulat mo na yung iyong first name, middle name, last name. Your height, your weight, your date of birth. So, simulan mo ulit sa year, month, date. Your age, place of birth, nationality, your gender, your civil status, your complete home address. Then, isulat mo rin yung iyong tax identification number or TIN, office telephone number. Write the port of entry if seaman. Write the destination country naman if OFW. Kung PhilHealth member ka naman, write your PhilHealth number. Then, click Next. Then, sulat mo rin yung iyong primary beneficiary and your other beneficiaries. Then, click Next. Sa medical history, kung wala ka naman na pre-existing illness, click All No. Kung ikaw naman ay female at may anak, isulat mo ang date of your last delivery. Kung single ka naman or male, write NA. Kung wala ka namang pre-existing illness or history ng sakit na nakasulat dito, just leave it blank. If you answered yes naman sa medical dito, kindly provide supporting documents dahil maaaring hingin sa iyo yon ng Kaiser underwriting. Then click Next. Write NA if wala kang sakit. Then i-check mo lang yung authorization to furnish medical information. Then click Submit. Then please sign here. Review your KAISER Online Application form first bago ka mag-proceed sa payment. Then pag na-review mo na, i-click mo lang yung I accept the terms of this agreement. You will receive an email notification that your KAISER application form is completed and signed. Then click Next Go to Payments page. Choose your preferred payment option here. For example, bank deposit. Make deposit to your preferred IMG bank account. Then input your details. Click Bank Deposit and then click Next Step. For example, BDO. Doon ka nag-deposit. Then click Select. Then i-click mo lang yung click here to send us the proof of payment. Then input your bank details and upload your deposit slip as your proof of payment. Then click Submit. So maganda rin na kunan mo ng screenshot itong portion na to. You will receive an email that your payment is under verification. After ma-verify, you will receive an email again that your payment has been approved. Kapag na-approve na ang policy mo sa Kaiser, you will receive an email notification gaya nito. This is your Kaiser OPMS portal. You can log in sa iyong kaiserhealthgroup.net. So magkakaroon ka niyan kapag approve ng iyong Kaiser policy. Congratulations! Nakapagsimula ka na mag-build na iyong solid financial foundation by having Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Investment. Ito yung benefit number 8. Remember, kapag may Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Investment ka na, you have a little of everything of the real foundation in building wealth. So, meron ka ng healthcare protection, meron ka ng life insurance protection, at investment. Once again, this is your financial educator and Senior Marketing Director of IMG. Please contact the person who shared to you this coaching video or you may reach me in these contact details. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. Thank you!